running is a good exercise. If you do running frequently and proper training, you will gain strength, speed, which is similar to the effects produced by steroids. Running helps to burn calories. Fast running burns more calories than slow running. This helps to lose weight and can make you closer to your dream body. Running 30 minutes a day is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and a manageable healthy habit for most people. If you're getting exercise by running 30 minutes a day, 2 to 3 days a week, and build up from there, running is faster, uses more kilojoules, and demands more effort of overall fitness than jogging. Both running and jogging are forms of aerobic exercise. So yes, running will help you to lose weight and will also help you to create that dream body